So today I'm going to be unboxing a whole case of the Moriah Elizabeth mystery plushes. I have been a fan of Mariah's YouTube videos for so many years now. I got really into her squishy makeovers in the pandemic and I haven't stopped watching since. And because she makes so many characters in her videos, she released her own plush line of the characters that she's created. So I got gifted this from Banter Toys. They said, hey, we have this cool new product. You might know the YouTuber Moriah Elizabeth. And I was like, the love of my life, my idol, my inspiration. So they very kindly sent me a whole case of her mystery plushies. There are 9 mystery boxes in the case and there are 8 different designs. I'm not sure if you're guaranteed one of every plushie. I'm not sure if we'll get doubles. I mean, we'll definitely get at least one double. But as it's called, it's a mystery. We have a look at the lovely box design. We've got beautiful little Georgie on here. Georgie is her pineapple duck. Here it's just Georgie's face. Then if we take a look on the side, we can see all her beautiful characters. We got Pickle, we got Derp, and the rest of the gang. Top of the box looks like this. Got her name, signature, little Pickle down there. Side of the box has her on it. But what is far more interesting than the box is what's inside. So let's have a look. I feel like I'm finally meeting some internet friends or something because I've been watching these characters for so long. Okay, we open up the box. Boom! Plushie is Georgie. Oh my gosh. Oh my actual gosh. Look how cute he is! Here's a little close-up on Georgie, the pineapple duck. Funny that we opened Georgie first, I was just talking about him. He's got his duck beak and his duck smile, cute little embroidered eyes and eyebrows, and he's got his pineapple leaves on the top of his head, cute little arms. These legs are the cutest thing ever, look how they jiggle. Then its body is quite duck-shaped, and then it also has, I love this touch so much, Moriah Elizabeth embroidered on the side. You also have a guide. The guide has a lovely rainbow gradient and shows all our favourite friends. They all look so cute. Let's get them all out of their boxes. Georgie, you can sit there. Oh my gosh, Georgie is the perfect shelf friend. Look how those little legs just sit perfectly on the end of the shelf. Let's find out who friend number 2 is. I can't see. It's Derp, it's Derp, it's blue, it's Derp. Look how cute he is! Look at that little frill. It's like teal and it's got rainbow spots on it. Look at him with his derpy face. Have I just completely missed the fact he has paint splatters on his belly the whole time? I don't remember that being part of his design. His little freckles are extra cute. Such a nice dino body. And he has the little me signature too. And it's in blue embroidery. That is such a nice detail. Oh my gosh. They look so cute together. Okay, I'm guessing that this one's going to be Pickle based on nothing. I just think he'd look really cute sitting next to Dirt. Box number 3. Who will it be? Okay, I'm going to close my eyes. Is it Pickle? Another Georgie. Will this whole box just be full of Georgies? I don't know. No, if I'd considered that as an option, I mean, that's even better. That is just glorious. Let's open up box number 4. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? It is... Oh my gosh, I love this girl. In my head, her name is Sprinkles, but her name is actually Cupie. And look, she has perfect little arms. This is like the perfect little toy to hold. My gosh, her eyes are so cute. She has these adorable eyes. Very cute cherry on the side of her ice cream blob. Is it ice cream or cupcake? I don't know, fake fan. I just want this to be a permanent part of my hand. I'm never letting go. Let's see which character we get in box number 5. It is Rosie the dragon. She has a beautiful rainbow belly, beautiful rainbow wings, and then beautiful rainbow, what are these called? I was gonna call them scales. She also has the most adorable little eyes, little freckles, and the cutest little smile. It looks like a little bit of a smirk. What is she planning? I'm having a vision. I want to crochet these guys, little outfits. Rosie would look so good in shoes. Like, can you just imagine her wearing some little rainbow shoes? I have to make this happen. New video coming up, crocheting close to my Moriah Elizabeth plushies. Also, did you see Mariah's video where she customizes these plushies and she like paints on them, and she made this one like a strawberry one? It was so cool. Kind of hope she releases the customized versions as plushies as well. Okay, box number 6. Oh, we've already opened half of them. We've got 4 different designs and hopefully we get the other 4 as well because I want all of them because they're all so cute. Box number 6 is... Did I just break that? I didn't, but it's Pickle! It's Pickle! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He's so cute! He's so cute and so squishy. I love Pickle so much. What a beautiful little dinosaur. I love his little hands. Or I guess they're not hands, they're like his dino claws. And his little frill down the back. And he has paint splodges on the back. Are these just plushie additions, or do all of the Pickles have this? Oh, I didn't notice it on any of the other ones, but it also has a Moriah tag here. That's very nice. He has ME embroidered on the tail. He's so chunky. It's so beautiful. I just set them up nicely so you can see them, but I just realized they're blocking the plushies we still need to open. Okay, fellas, you're gonna have to move. Also, look how cute Pickle and Derp look together. I'm gonna crochet their matching outfits. I cannot wait. I was like, what? This one doesn't have a plushie in it? Yeah, because it's a box we already opened. Anyway, box number 7. That wasn't intentional, but that was a good cat. Excuse me. Georgie, you're meant to be sitting on top of here, showing off your legs. Pickle, where are you? Pickle and Derp have spent too long apart. They cannot cope being separated again. Well, Rosie can now have the prime position on top of the box. You're not allowed to knock Georgie over, though. Okay. Now we're up to box number 7. Open it up. What's inside? So the ones we have left are the cute little bunny, the cute little purple friend, and Kathy. I think Kathy is one of my favorite Moriah characters of all time. You don't know who Kathy is? Bam! Here she is. Is it her? That'd be so funny if it's her. Oh, it's not her. But it is my purple friend. This is Purple Bumblebear. What's his actual name? Oh, his name is Bumblebear! It is a bumblebee cross bear, so it has the stripes of a bee and the ears of a bear and a horn. Do bees have horns? Or is it just like a unicorn horn? It also has these really cute spots here. Oh, look at its tiny little arms and its tiny little feet. That's so cute. Ooh! The nose is like embroidered around the edge and then it's like a different fabric there. Oh, that's some nice different textures. That's nice. I'm gonna put this in my sensory box. Okay, this should be Kathy or the bunny. Or I suppose it could be another double. I'm gonna let you look first. Oh, I'm gonna do a feeling test. Oh my god, it's Kathy! It's Kathy! I could feel her scarf! I'm literally gonna cry. This is so cute. Kathy is just the cutest character ever. You cannot see that face and not feel joy bubbling out of you. She's got the cutest smile ever, the cutest cheeks, the cutest eyes, cute little cat ears, and this adorable rainbow scarf, and the scarf fits a scarfie. Oh my gosh, look at this. It even turns inside out. Multi-use scarf. Oh my gosh, look at her little legs. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Oh, I really love the shades of this pastel rainbow. It's so pretty. Okay, this is the final box. If I get everyone in the set, this should be lemon. Okay, final plastic unwrapping of the day. Is it lemon? She looks really different from the guide. I thought for a second that I had got a double, but her grey looks a lot lighter in person than on the guide. Both are adorable, but I've got to say I'm a really big fan of this light grey. Sorry, I just took in her face. That is the cutest face I've ever seen. Her little eyes and her little bunny hands. I know that's not part of her face, but I just noticed them and they're so cute. She just looks so cute. She's giving like puppy dog eyes, bunny version. It also has this lovely yellow ribbon, which has lemons on it. Is she named Lemon because of her lemon bow, or did she get a lemon bow because she's named Lemon? Her ears are so floppy and soft. And oh my gosh, the embroidered bunny's feet. That's so cute. And she has a little tail on the back. Wow, that is all the Moriah plushies I have to unbox with you today. I hope you enjoyed seeing them. They're so adorable and so soft. If you'd like to get your own Moriah plushies, I'll put a list of places you can get them on the screen. Thank you so much for watching me unbox these, and huge thank you to Banter Toys for sending these over to me. And if you haven't checked out Moriah's channel, what are you doing? Go watch one of her videos now. Or you could watch one of my other videos. Up to you. If you want to see a video of me crocheting them little outfits, that's gonna be really soon. I'll see you then. Bye!